In this video, I'll show you how to create a cool collage photos in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut on your PC and import your photos. Now drag all clips into the timeline and place them on top of each other. Next, resize each photos and position them on the screen to create a collage layout. If you're making photos for social media, go to Ratio and select 9:16. Now select one clip, go to Mask and choose a shape. Adjust the mask and move it to create a clean split effect. Repeat this for other clips to complete your collage. You can also resize and adjust each photo to make it look more creative. That's it! Your collage photos is ready. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.